What if your entire family budget, one that actually works, could be set up in a single afternoon? It sounds bold, but here's the reality. 61% of Americans don't have a working household budget. And yet households that do, even a simple one, are far more likely to feel financially secure within the first year. Not because they earn more, but because they finally have a system. Most people avoid budgeting because it feels like a full-time job. Logins, categories, receipts, apps you forget to open. But it doesn't have to be that way. Later in this video, I'll share the exact one-page checklist I used to help a family go from money chaos to calm in one Saturday, and how they saved $600 in their first month. Miss this, and you'll keep restarting your budget every year with no traction, no progress, and no peace. The real problem: budget procrastination. Let's be honest, you don't hate budgeting. You hate the friction around budgeting. Bank statements, tabs, spreadsheets that make you feel behind before you begin. It's exhausting, so you delay. Then the delay becomes the default. What if you reframed budgeting as a one-time system setup instead of a daily chore? Build the machine once. Maintain it with a 10-minute weekly reset. That's it. Brené Brown says, "Clarity is kindness." Giving your money clarity is one of the kindest things you can do for your future self. Quick gut check. What's one money task you've been avoiding? Not because it's hard, but because it's mentally draining. If you handled just that today, how much stress would lift? Step 1. Set up 3 accounts. Foundation first. Separate your money by purpose, not just by balance. Spending account. Groceries, gas, day-to-day life. Bills account. Rent, mortgage, insurance, utilities, subscriptions. Savings account. Out of sight, no debit card attached. How it flows. All income lands in the bills account. Automatic transfers move set amounts to savings and spending on a schedule that matches your pay. Your bill money is walled off, so you never accidentally spend what was meant for the electric bill. The Brooks family in Atlanta did exactly this. In 30 minutes, they opened a separate bills account and a hidden savings account. In month 1, they had 0 overdrafts, a habit that had cost them $420 the year before. If your money lived in separate homes, would the anxiety of, "Did we pay that?" finally quiet down? Materials you need: 5 minutes. Your bank app or credit union. Routing, account numbers, your payday dates, and the list of fixed bills. That's it. Step 2. Fixed versus variable costs. Clarity beats guesswork. Pull the last 2 months of statements and sort your spending into 2 columns. Fixed costs: housing, car payment, insurance, daycare, internet, minimum debt payments. Variable costs: groceries, gas, eating out, entertainment, clothing, extras. You do not need perfect categorization. You need a true picture. Add each column. Compare to your monthly take-home. This is not a guilt exercise. This is a visibility exercise. As Peter Drucker said, "What gets measured gets managed." If you reduced your most chaotic category by just 15% this month, what would change? Step 3. The 60-20-20 framework. Guardrails make decisions easier. Start with this default. 60% is needs: housing, food at home, transportation, insurance, utilities. 20% is savings, debt payoff, emergency fund, investing, extra debt payments. 20% is wants: dining out, fun, travel, hobbies. If your needs are higher, don't panic. Use 70-15-15 while you adjust. The point isn't perfection, it's direction. When my family ran this for the first time, our wants were creeping toward 40%. No wonder we were tense by the 20th of the month. Moving to 60-20-20 didn't hurt, it helped. We felt in control, and we stopped arguing with the calendar. Imagine opening your banking app and already knowing where each dollar belongs. How much mental space would that free? Mini move today. Take your fixed cost total, divide by paychecks, and earmark that amount into the bills account automatically. You've just built your first guardrail. Step 4. Create a visual dashboard. Budgets die in the dark. Keep yours visible and simple. Pick your style: Manual, max control. Google Sheets or Excel with 4 boxes. Income, needs cap, savings, payoff target, wants cap. 1 page with income, due dates, category caps, and savings progress. Tape it to the fridge. Apps, max automation. Copilot, YNAB, or Tiller to sync accounts and track without manual entry. Your dashboard should always show monthly income, bill due dates, category caps, needs, savings, payoff, wants, savings progress, emergency fund, vacation, debt-free date, etc. Check it every Sunday or set it as your phone's lock screen widget. If you saw your progress every week, would you still forget to save? Pro tip: if you're paid weekly or bi-weekly, create 4 mini budgets inside the month. Same guardrails, smaller windows. It feels easier and works better. Question of the day: if you had one uninterrupted afternoon to fix your finances, what's the very first thing you'd tackle? Comment below. Step 5. The 10-minute weekly routine. Systems fail without rhythm. Your rhythm is a 10-minute reset, same day, same time. Try Sunday evening or payday morning. Open your dashboard or app. Scan. What came in, what went out. Adjust. If groceries ran hot, then cool wants next week, or move a small amount from wants to needs. Celebrate. Shade in your savings bar, check off a debt box, call out one win. Make it a ritual, pizza plus money check-in night, or coffee and clarity on Friday mornings. The goal is consistency, not complexity. If your family spent 10 minutes together each week getting financially aligned, how different would the next 12 months feel? Tiny toolkit, calendar reminder, your dashboard link, and a printed 1-pager on the fridge. No more. We'll get to it later. The Crane family's Saturday turnaround. Meet the Cranes. 2 parents, 3 kids, 2 jobs, constant motion. Bills slipped, savings stalled. Every month felt like catch-up. They set aside one Saturday, 3 hours. No perfection, just progress. They opened 3 accounts, bills, spending, savings. Built a simple Google Sheet, 4 boxes, color bars. Printed their snapshot and taped it to the fridge. Scheduled Sunday resets with a recurring phone reminder. 30 days later, they saved $600 without trying harder. Overdraft fees dropped to 0 for the first time in years. They started a family fund jar, so no, didn't have to be the only answer. They didn't become millionaires in a month, but they became a team. And that changed everything. If one Saturday could buy you a year of calm, is it worth it? Your future self doesn't need a perfect budget, just a working one. Now that you know a working family budget can be built in a single day, if you follow the right steps, you're going to need to know the exact routine that keeps that budget alive week after week so your progress doesn't fade. If you don't know this, you'll keep rebooting your budget every month, burning out, and never building real financial confidence. The secret is in budget routines that actually work. 10 minutes a week to stay on track. In my next video. Don't miss it. See you in our next video.